Hey guys, I want to do a quick rundown on global macro. We had some pretty good moves there at the end of the day, and I think we had to pay attention here because the market's trying to tell us something. All right, so the dollar started to move first. Um, this is a strong move in currency markets. All right, so dollar is pressing up against this resistance, but we talked about, I don't know, earlier this morning, yesterday. Once we broke above pi, if you guys remember, 96.5 was kind of the key pivot. I said we get above there, then we should test these highs. That's exactly what happened, but this doesn't look like it wants to stop here. I think this might be the start of a bigger picture move, maybe back to the highs from this year. All right, this is the dollar index futures, or maybe back to par 78 level. Right, so we want to be dollar long in here, and we are. Um, we started nibbling here. We bought more here. I missed the chance to add here. Took some profits into this resistance. But if we clear this on a daily level, I'm just going to put it right back on what I took off today. Okay, so that's pretty clear on the dollar. That's going to be the main driver, right? You always get the dollar right, you're going to get a lot of other things right. And then if you go to the euro, I have so much drawn on these charts, but look, guys, here was the range trade we were in. Boom, breaking. Should be the same as the dollar, right? You broke pi, right? Dollar index is comprised mostly of the euro, so the euro's going the other way when it breaks pi, right? Pounds started to move several days ago, last week when it broke the lows. So it's still broken in a downtrend, which is dollar bullish, right? Whoops. Pound yen. Ay, ay, ay. So much crap going on here. Downtrend. Broke the lows, the major lows. This is nothing but a downtrend. We've been short here, right? Below pi. This is all fanning out lower. This is a downtrend. We made some nice covers today. We sold Sunday night, Monday. Covered early this morning. I missed this last cover on the low today. I had some other stuff going on, but we had a nice day trade short, two day trade shorts today in pound yen. So if you guys are new, you really need to, I encourage you to join the site, jenkinsrm.com. RM is risk management, jenkinsrm.com. You can join the free live trading chat room there just to get you involved. And then my active traders, they're in the room, and we're covering pretty much every market 24/7. All right, so it doesn't cost much to join that room. It's 150 bucks a month. There was 2 trades I did today just on pound yen alone. That if you have a small $20,000-$30,000 FX account, you make 500 bucks today on those 2 trades. It's $150 for the entire month, and that includes all the real-time alerts, all our trading ideas. There's over a dozen, sometimes 2 dozen trade alerts every day across all different markets in that room. So that was 3 trades on pound yen today that we really just crushed it on. Gold. Let's stick to FX. I covered the euro, dollar yen. So I really want to focus on, my point being is that the dollar is trying to break out. So dollar yen didn't really go anywhere today. Maybe that's the next to go. So I keep talking about the longer that this cycle goes down and price doesn't follow, the next time this cycle turns up, you can see price take off. So I think we'll see. If you get above 104.5, 105, I still think my call is we're going to 108. Okay. If we look at dollar CAD, more of the same, right? It's coiling underneath these all-time highs and wants to go higher. Okay. Now we look at some of the other asset classes. U.S. market, we've been in this wedge. Looks like we might be breaking it today. So there's no doubt that there's a lot of technical models and technicians that are all seeing the same thing. These are higher lows. This is a wedge. We're looking like we're breaking down out of it, right? VIX. So everything's connected, guys. So this is how you look at the markets overall. VIX, boom, broke out today. So to me, it looks like the market's trying to move, and maybe it's moving in front of the elections. It could be a lot of different factors, but it definitely um, had some energy today, and it looks like it's dollar up, stocks down, VIX, VIX up, volatility up with stocks down, obviously. I doubled my long-term 30-year position today on this candle. I've been talking for weeks that I thought we would test pi down here, pretty much in the vicinity. I don't get wrapped up in missing trades by half a point. That's crazy when you've come down almost 10 points from the highs. So these are areas, right? And I saw what stocks were doing. I really like that the daily cycle, the daily cycle is rising, right? And then this 4-hour chart, this was enough for me to take some risks down here. So I doubled my position. My average cost is up here around 165.5, which is fine. All right. So let's pay attention to the dollar here. Dollar was so strong, you expect to see gold be softer. That's fine. I'm still very light there, and I think we can test. It's kind of similar to the long bond. I think we can test maybe this level down here in front of 1200. We'll see. Actually, gold held in pretty well considering the dollar move. All right, guys, so that's probably enough tonight. I'll talk to you in the morning. And again, if you're new, visit the site, jenkinsrm.com. You can get into our Slack room for free, which is our chat room. And from there, you're welcome to message me. Happy to answer any of your new questions about how to get involved with us. All right, you guys have a great evening.